Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News CNC channel. Okay, in the many videos before, I have show you many function, statement and comment using Visual Basic programming. Okay, before we start to make application, I think it will be better if we also learning about how to using item comment. Okay, for basic comment, and then I want to show you start from this video. I will give you the basic comment for item, and in this video I especially want to show you how to hide and show item. Also, I will show you how to change the background color of form. Okay, we better start from now. I create new project and I will give the name suitable with our theme now, and like usually I choose Visual Basic and choose Windows Phone application. I will give the name of this project is basic comment enable, or like this, changing font color and enable disable comment item. Okay, I think cannot too long for the name of project, and then I will choose changing font color and enable disable item. Basic comment, nothing, I don't need anymore. Okay, changing font color and enable disable item, and then I click OK. The basic comment of using item is very important, so uh, we must to know before creating or starting make the application in advance. Also, before we start learning about using database, I think it will be better if we also learning about comment using item. And in this video tutorial, I will to show you especially to changing font color and enable disable item. Okay guys, first I want to show you how we can changing the font color in here. And I need one button and one combo box. I think combo box like this, and I will change the font size in here. I will make bold and number is 16, and I will change the text of button 1 guys. So I go to properties and I search or I find the text properties in here, and I will change the name is change color like this. Okay, I resize this button, and then first I have show you how we can add item in combo box using comment, but now I want to show you also we can also giving the item without comment in combo box. In properties, we can choose the properties name is item collection in here. Double click in here, guys. So if you don't want to add comment, you can add item in here. I will adding 3 item in here: red, yellow, and blue. Oh, I think need to again for 5 to mortgage. So white and default like this, guys. Okay, I will click OK in here, and then I need to double click in change color button in here. I double click. I will show you guys. I will using if and also if condition that I already show you in the video tutorial, and I will using if statement. If combo box 1 dot items dot text, I think combo box 1 dot item, not combo box 1 dot item dot text, combo box dot text, I think, equal to red. Then to change the background color, we just to add me dot back color to what the color we want to changing the form color. You can see here I will choose red, and also if remember, guys, I have or I already explained to you use how to using if and also if statement, so I don't want to explain about this comment anymore. Combo box 1 dot text equal to yellow. This is just example, you can suitable or match with your condition. Me dot back color equal to color dot yellow. Okay, also if combo box 1 dot text equal to, I think is red, yellow, blue, then me dot back color equal to color blue. Okay, also if combo box 1 dot text equal to red, yellow, blue, I think it's white, then me dot back color equal to white, guys, not white but white. Okay, also if or else I do nothing, me dot back color equal to color dot none. What the default color, guys? I think none of color here. I think empathy. Yes, empathy. Okay, this is statement and condition, and this is comment what the condition make for this comment. Okay, this is changing the color of form. Color of form. So this is statement, guys. This is a statement. Okay, I save and I will running this project. Okay, still debugging. I'm sorry if too slowly my computers, but it's not a big problem. Okay, guys, you can see here. Before I make the item in properties item collection, so I have this item 5 item, and then if I click this button, will execute the if else condition statement in here. So I will to show you. If I change color, you can see, guys, I click in here, I click in here. Very basic, but this is very important for you. Okay, you can see here. And then we can also in here to disable and enable some items. I will show you with combo box. So this is not combo box but text box, I think. Text box. Okay, in here I will create the size is, or to change the font only to suitable the size for uh, bigger in here. Okay, I will show you how to enable in disable. Okay, I double click again in change color, and before I enable disable, guys, I will show you in here. I will show you for the result later. In here, any of color that yellow, blue, white, and default. And later I will adding button disable and enable in text box here. Before I adding the comment, I'm still typing text in the text box, but if I disable later, it cannot be to type in here in text box. So I will adding the items in the collection of combo box 1. I will create enable text box and disable text box. So this is very basic command, and I will show you in here. I double click in change color, and better if I create sub in here. Sub enable disable, for example. Later I will call this sub statement or sub procedure in here, and I want to use if then statement. If combo box 1 dot text equal to enable text box, then I will me dot text box 1 dot enable equal to true, and also if combo box 1 dot text equal to disable text box, then I will disable the text box for anything's process, so I can typing in text box later. Dot enable equal to false. This is just for example. After that, I will call in the button 1 sub or button 1 click event, enable disable text box. Okay guys, in here, so I adding this, I call the sub procedure in here. I just adding enable disable and calling the procedure or the command. So I want to running this project. Okay, this is just basic example of using the form application or item, but it's very important to us learning before we create advanced application in the future. So you can see the text box text. When I click the enable text box, then it's still enable and nothing. It's still enabled guys, you can see here. I still can type in text, but if I choose disable in here, disable text box, I click the button, you can see the text box 1 cannot activate or can cannot act, can active, I think not can, but don't active or didn't active. So I cannot do anything with my text box 1 before I enable again in here. You can see I enable and disable in here. Okay, this is very basic learning about Visual Basic Programming for disable and enable item, and also how to changing the font color. So if I click change to red with nothing, because uh, I don't give the comment for red, or okay, never mind. And then before we start to learning about database and making the application, this is very important to you, so I show you in here. And okay, that's enough, or that's all for now. And in the next video I want to show you how to using timer, guys. Or before timer also, I will show about how to hide item, and also basics of comment in item. And after all basic comment, in the future I will show you how to using database and make the application with dynamic application also, so we have data and we can change in the future. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, so we can learning in advance later. See you, bye bye.